Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make probably one of the easiest things in the Instant Pot. This is a whole chicken, especially now with the COVID-19, you're probably not able to get a roasted chicken anywhere. This will not roast the chicken. You're not going to have the brown, crunchy skin, but it's still really good. These are really easy things. With the Instant Pot, all you got to remember is Instant Pot needs liquid. Most of the recipes out on the internet are junk because they don't tell you to put enough liquid in. These things like liquid, 2 cups, even for the 8-quart, is really the best way to go. So anyway, all you need is a whole chicken, a onion cut up into quarters, maybe a little smaller than quarters, and a lemon. Chop up half of the lemon and then make some quarters. Also, you need some garlic salt, chicken broth, and I have a bottle of this white wine, so that'll go in there too. You want to take the neck out and the gizzards. So you want to take the lemon wedges, a couple of these, and shove them in. If you can fit your half a lemon in, you can jam that in there too. See, this one's a big Meyer lemon, and then I got some larger wedges of onion. I'm going to shove both of those in there. Next thing I'm going to do is put a lot of garlic salt. Actually, let's go to the dump side. Really get it on there. I cook with a lot of garlic salt. I like to rub it into the chicken. Any extra, it's really get it on there. Now, what you'll see a lot of people do is they'll put the trivet in. I can't find my trivet. It's shorter. This is an egg trivet, but it's a lot shorter. Lifts the chicken off the bottom. I've cooked it both ways, with the trivet, without. Doesn't matter. In fact, one less thing to clean in the sink is a dirty trivet. So we're going to take our chicken broth and we're going to put that right in here in our Instant Pot. Next thing we're going to do is take the wine, pour that in there. Then we're going to put the chicken right in here. And we're going to add all the rest of the onions and lemon. And then we're going to put the lid on, and I'm going to show you how to set it in just a second. Okay, here we go. I'm going to open it up, just show you. There it is in there, all ready to go. And depending on the model, this one has a self-sealing vent, so when you put the lid on, it seals. If you do not have a self-sealing vent, make sure to switch it to, I'm not sure what it says on it. Does it say sealing but not venting? So your Instant Pot will work properly. All Instant Pots come with a bunch of different program settings. You paid for them. If you have a meat or poultry button, select that program. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter, and mine is already set at 30 minutes, which I'm going to leave it there. I've done it at 25 for the same recipe, but I'll do 30. There's people who like to nuke their food in these things and completely overcook them until they liquefy or turn into shredded meat. But no, we're cooking a whole chicken, so we're going to leave it at 30, and it's on high pressure. And when I hit the start button, this graph will show me that it's preheating. Then it'll go into the 30-minute cooking setting. Then I'm going to leave it at keep warm for 20 minutes. And that just lets some of the pressure out naturally, and it tends to just be better that way when you let it cool down a little bit naturally. So anyway, this will show this will probably be in about 15 minutes through preheating. Then it'll be the 30 minutes and 20. So that's about your total cook time, 15 plus 30 plus 20, and it'll be ready to eat. Okay, so while it's cooking, let's go over a few things. Liquid. Instant Pots love liquid. Lots of bad, terrible recipes on the internet start talking about no liquid. The less than a cup is trouble. 1 cup is pushing the limit. Get up to about 1.5 cups, 2 cups, especially on those 8-quart, is even better. And then times. The times are always crazy, crazy on internet recipes. Every Instant Pot comes with a recipe book, and they have all the cooking timetables for everything in the back here. Rice, grains, seafood, fish, beans, meat. You just look it up and it tells you how much time you need to do it. And these are the guys that invented the Instant Pot. They spent years burning food to invent this machine. These times in the back are accurate. Great example, last night I was cooking corned beef, hadn't done it in a year, forgot what the cooking time was, looked in here. Then I went on the internet to look at one of the more popular Instant Pot recipe. They wanted you to cook the thing for an hour and 55 minutes under pressure. I mean, what are you gonna do to the corned beef? Liquefy it? I put it at 60 minutes. My corned beef came out perfect. And I also had 2 cups of broth in there instead of 1, like the recipes are saying, only put in 1 cup of this, 1 cup of that. So rely on the book for your times, put in plenty of liquid. The other thing is when a recipe calls for water, if you can substitute broth, wine, juice, something like that, not tomato sauce, that'll add some flavor. And you could do it half and half. If it calls for 4 cups of water, maybe it's 2 cups water, 2 cups chicken broth, and those things really help with flavor on the meals. So this is my COVID-19 Instant Pot chicken. Hope you enjoy.